everybody. This is Gayatri Iyengar. Welcome to our house's Golu. Our Golu's name is Akila Golu 2020. I wanted to talk to you, everybody, about the significance of this year's theme and the concept. In this Golu season, we are going to talk about three things. One, we are going to talk about mental wellness and hope. We are also going to be able to talk about the story that is depicted here on the top of the Golu, the churning of the Milky Ocean, and we will talk about Dhanvantri, who's here, shown in our Golu. Hope and wellness. The COVID-19 pandemic has taken the world by storm. Social distancing and self-isolation have created a lot of stress and affected our mental wellness. In such difficult times, as we wait desperately for a cure to save our near and dear ones, I want to remind you all about the story of Samudra Mantana and the hope that it brings. So let's listen to Churning of the Milky Ocean story. In the story of the Samudra Mantana, the Devas or the gods were once cursed by the sage Durvasa such that they lose all the power. The Asuras or the demons then win them in a battle and take control of the universe. The gods go to Lord Mahavishnu for help, who advises that only the nectar which resides at the bottom of the celestial ocean can make them strong again and they will become immortal. If I draw a parallel to today's lives, the demons is the coronavirus and the impending danger that it proves to the entire society. The Devas or the gods went to Lord Mahavishnu for help so that they could battle the bad in the world. Shirasagara, or Shira meaning milk, Sagara meaning ocean, is going to be where the Amrita is going to be found. In our case, this is the vaccination for COVID-19. Lord Mahavishnu replied, yes, the ocean would need to be churned for the nectar to surface, and this will take 1,000 years. The Devas and the Asuras represent the positive and the negative in our own self. If you see in our Golu today, on the left hand side, you see all the Devas. You see Mahavishnu, you see Shiva, and you see Brahma. On the right side, you see all the demons. You also see that the demons are holding the head of the snake and the Devas are holding the tail of the snake. For the churning of the ocean, the Devas sought the help of the mountain Mandara to serve as the churning rod. If you see here, this is a mountain Mandara. The Mandara mountain is made of two words, Manam, Dhara. Manam meaning mind. Dhara means straight line, which symbolizes concentration. Vasuki, the snake, the king of snakes, the snake around Lord Shiva's neck, was approached to serve as the rope for the churning. Vasuki signifies the desire to attain the nectar of immortality. The Devas were to pull one end of the giant serpent and the Asuras the other. The demons, Asuras, held the head of the snake while the Devas its tail. The force of the mountain was so great that it began to sink. Lord Vishnu then took the form of a huge turtle or Kurma avataram and like an island supported the mountain on his back. This reminds us all that whenever there is great difficulty in the world, the Lord takes an incarnation to come and restore peace and sanity in this world. Dhanvantri was one of the greatest jewels that came from the ocean. Dhanvantri is an incarnation of Lord Vishnu and the physician of the gods, and he manifested from the Milky Ocean, holding a vessel called Soma or the nectar of life. In our case, the vaccination for COVID-19. Let's meet the star Dhanvantri. Dhanvantri helps the sick and the weak. the objects held by Dhanavantri symbolizes the victory over illness. He has healing herbs, he has a leech which is a suction of negative energy, and victory over the evil and the infinity of knowledge. Dhanavantri symbolizes a balance, implying that healthy life can only be obtained when body and mind are in perfect harmony. Amrita, the nectar of immortality, is symbolic to self-realization. There are many valuables that emerged from the churning of the Milky Ocean. I have highlighted a few of them in our Golu today. I wanted to leave all of you with a thought. You cannot control what happens to you, but you can control your attitude, thus mastering change rather than allowing it to master you. Some of the precious items that came from the Milky Ocean are here. We have Dhanavantri, or the Vaidyas of the Deva with Amrita. We have Mahalakshmi, the Devi of fortune and wealth. We have Kamadhenu, which is the cow of plenty. We also had Apsaras, Varuni, Chandra, Uchchaishrava come from the Milky Ocean. We also have Airavata, which is used as the vehicle for the Lord Indra. We have Kalpavriksha, we have Sharanga, and we have many other things that came, jewels that came from the Milky Ocean. I wanted to leave you all with a small project that we did at home today. As part of this theme, if Dhanavantri was to come in 2020, how will it look? We felt like Dhanavantri would actually come and ride a clinic on wheels. He will have a doctor's office that will be on wheels on a little truck. You also see all the US presidents here that are lined up with a little bit of 6 feet social distancing to go and take the Soma or the nectar of life from the Dhanavantri clinic on wheels. Here, if you go back to our Golu, we see that we have arranged all our gods. We've seen the Murgans, we've seen Tayar, we have also seen all the other gods that are here. Thank you very much for joining us today on Akila's 2020 Golu. We'll see you next year. Stay safe. Bye.